Hey guys, good morning. We just had the long weekend and finally the kids are off to school. The time is like 8:30 a.m. I have finished my breakfast and I'm gonna get ready and go about my day. But I know that I have been kind of inconsistent with YouTube lately, and that's for a few reasons. So I thought I would just do a little chit chat with you and share with you what's going on with my life. There is also going to be an exciting or a little bit scary update for you guys, and by the end of the day or this video, I'm hoping to also pick the winner for the giveaway. I am sick and tired of waiting to hit the 2019 mark. We go up to like 2020 and then fall back down to 2017, and pretty much every other day I gain a subscriber and lose a subscriber. I don't know if it's the same person or if it is like few different people, like different people join in and other people drop out, which is fine. But if it's the same person, it's been so frustrating because the count has literally been doing like a triangle wave, okay? And every time I see 2019, I'm like, yes, I'm gonna go announce. And by the time I go to record the video, the count has dropped to 2017 or something like that. So I'm like, you know what? We are above 2000 and we have been staying about 2000. So let's just go ahead and pick the winner today. But as I'm recording this right now, I haven't picked a winner. So that's why I said by the end of the video, because I'm gonna get ready, tell you guys a few things, show you guys a few things. I have started getting back into painting, so I'm gonna show you guys a few pieces that I've done recently as well. So yeah, come along, let's go. Before I get started, I have to clean up the house a little bit. Yeah, there are some Valentine's Day remnants. Laundry, my husband folded it all. I hate to fold laundry, so he has done that. And then he has cleaned up the toys, okay? I don't know why when he cleans up, it still looks like a mess to me. So I'm just gonna clean that up first. I really have to. We have different boxes for different things, right, in our collection. This was supposed to be a box for just the magnets, but it just gives such a messy appearance. I can't stand it. This is my 3-year-old's favorite toy ever since he got it. He loves this. We have a little toy corner in our living room because we can't get away from it. We can't avoid having it. Off to the toy room. Alright, so here are some of the paintings from this past week. This is actually done by my 2.5-year-old nephew with his mom. Isn't that something else? I feel like the camera is not capturing the vibrancy of the colors. It's so beautiful. And then we have added some glitter on top. And this one was done by my son. And at the last minute, he ended up pouring like half of this glitter bottle here. But before that, it had come out so pretty with like the little moons and the little stars over there. It looked like a beautiful, magical, mystical galaxy sky. But now, yeah, now it's just like a huge blob of glitter. It is not bad, but there were actually very nice cells underneath that glitter. But yeah, that kid has no patience. And then this was something I was attempting. I don't know how I feel about it, you know. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I like it, you know, I don't hate it, but I feel like I want something else in that like corner with just a lot of gold paint over there. I like what's going on just in this top. And like, you know, in the center here because of the different directions. But these two blobs are not happening. And then this is another technique I tested out. And I'm really happy with the way this one turned out. Again, you know, the vibrancy is getting kind of lost with this camera. There you go. I think if I turn it a little bit to the side, then you can see it. And then this was something I was testing out for the party that I'm thinking of hosting. And because there are kids so young, I was trying out the bottle painting, you know, where you dip the base of the bottle in a plate of color. These are a few pictures of what it looked like before, but I just hated it. Totally didn't work out. Yeah, so this glitter is gonna get covered, and my hand has somehow picked up paint from somewhere, I'm guessing from this tray. But yeah, we're gonna try out something else on here. So now let me just go ahead and get dressed, and yeah, I think I'm gonna do some makeup, record another video for you guys, and we will get to painting after that. All right, so I'm in my beauty room and I'm going to try out most of the ColourPop products, and whatever I don't have in ColourPop, I have kind of included in my new e.l.f. products. So I'm going to be testing those out. So I've really been enjoying the Ordinary Buffet and the Ulta 24K Magic Beauty Oil. I'm going to add both of these to my face because I want to try out the ColourPop No Filter Stick Foundation. I've been drinking a lot of the pre-workout lately because we are in a team challenge, and just this past weekend we had a tribe challenge. So what they do is they get multiple teams together and divide the 70 people that are participating, the 10 teams, into 2 groups, and we competed against each other. So, and my arms are so sore, like, ow, yeah, so sore. But I just enjoyed the challenge so much. All right guys, I'm in a part of a tribe challenge in my gym. It's crazy, and I'm pretty cool. Woo! That's my tribe, go Spartans! So I was saying earlier that because I'm drinking so much of the pre-workout nowadays, I feel like my lips have started doing the drying out thing again. Remember when I first started with the Halo Beauty Kiwi thing? But I wanted to kind of show you guys, you know, how the actual recording process goes. I record in reverse, so I'm gonna first start doing my makeup. I record all my inserts first, where I show you guys the products and all of that. Is looking horrible. I'm gonna just take everything off and restart. Okay, so my makeup is finished. Look how freaking light that foundation looks in this camera. Let me see if I can change settings on this camera. Hold on. That's better. I had it on auto, I thought. I don't know what it was on, but it doesn't look as bad now in this setting. It's the same light that I'm using to record my videos, but compared to my neck and chest, you can see how light that is. Yeah, not a fan, I must say. The eye makeup though, it's popping. I am loving it. I wish I would have done a liner as well, but I didn't. I was being lazy. If you want to know how I created it using all ColourPop products, then just stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed, click the notification bell, and whenever my ColourPop trying on video goes up, you can find out how I got the look. Man, I look like I'm wearing falsies. Look at that. Look at that. Loving it. Anyways, so now I'm going to go ahead and record the intro and everything else for the actual review. Hi everyone, how are you guys doing today? Today we are going to test out a whole bunch of ColourPop products that I recently purchased or got in my mystery bag. If you haven't checked my mystery bag video, then definitely check it out. It's linked in the description box below. I was blown away by the project. I finished recording most of the video. Of course, I'm going to do a check-in later in the day. Right now, I need to charge my phone. So I am in my bedroom. I'm gonna put my phone up for charging and catch up on some YouTube videos. Yeah, so my phone is partially charged. I'm going to transfer some of the earlier footage, start editing the videos. Now she wants my attention. Don't you, boo-boo? Don't you? Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Bobby. Bobby. What? What? Yeah, I just ate something I shouldn't have done, which is I ate some cookies, but I'm gonna go to my backyard and pick up some leaves because it's almost 6 o'clock. It's 5:40 and I spent all this time just editing. So I want to finish the trial run of the painting. So I'm just gonna get a branch of this. These should be enough leaves, and a few leaves from this tree because these are like nice and big leaves. Ooh, okay. Don't have too much kind of structure to them, but not structure, what's the word? Texture. So let me get a couple of these and I should be all set. Okay. Yeah, so that's that for the painting attempt. I'm gonna stop with that for now. Yeah, the painting trial was a bust, and in the rush of getting things done, I completely forgot to talk about the things I wanted to talk to you guys about. And I feel so foolish. So first things first, I have picked a winner and it is announced under the microneedling. I keep on calling it microblading, it's not. Microneedling video, and the winner needs to contact me within 48 hours of having this video published. And if the winner does not contact me in that time, then I'm going to go ahead and pick another winner and I will put it under, in that same videos. So if you're someone who has been following me and watching my videos to the fullest, you know where the winner is announced. All right. And now for the life update. I have been freaking exhausted and I have been kind of going through a lot of emotional things. The challenge that I am a part of has also started since February 3rd. So I have been exhausted to a point where yesterday I was actually talking to my son and I was stuttering. I was actually repeating my words. And I have never stuttered in my life, and it was scary actually to notice that. And that is kind of the reason why my videos have become a little bit delayed. That reason, and also because there have been some Monday holidays, and Monday holidays always throw me off because I pretty much only work during work hours when my kids are out. Once they are here, they are hurricanes, okay? So I have not had a chance to kind of complete editing my videos. Please be patient with me. And then the other update is that I have decided to kind of start on something that I have been thinking about for years. When I started to record for this video in the morning, I decided to actually share it. I was going to share it with you guys while I did my foundation application, and it just completely skipped my mind. But right now I'm thinking that it'll be kind of jumping the gun Like, we haven't solidified things. Once we do, I will definitely, most definitely share that with you guys. So please be patient with me till then. Please be patient with my kind of erratic upload schedule. And I really, really appreciate you for that. Thank you again for joining me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
All right.